Once you've built some territories, you will see a new item in the segmentation panel, the unassigned bucket. This is an excellent feature that ensures no accounts get left behind. The unassigned bucket is where you will find accounts that, for various reasons, have not been assigned to a territory. Every level of your go-to-market hierarchy contains an unassigned bucket. The common causes for accounts falling into unassigned are perhaps an account is missing the field that you have used for a bucket rule, or perhaps you used a smart plan to assign a maximum of 500 accounts to each rep, and the leftover accounts after each territory has reached the maximum number will fall into the unassigned bucket. Or say you used a map rule to select postal codes, but you missed a few somehow. They would be in the unassigned bucket as well. In this example, the AMER segment has territories based on company size. By scrolling through the unassigned bucket in the grid, we can see that many unassigned companies are missing employee count data.